Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Aruna. I think all of you must be now knowing that I am doing a series on Canva, from login to creating a design and many more about Canva. Canva is a magical tool where you can design anything using your creativity and this platform's tools and elements. So here I am with the plans and pricing of the present Canva. I actually had a video with the old price and everything. Canva has some update. So I am going to show you that. So go to Canva platform and we can find out what are the plans and pricing. So on top menu bar, you have this option called plans and pricing. Click on that option. So you can see here, after clicking, you have free version, you have pro version, and you have Teams version also available. So let me explain you what is free version. Here, free version is for everyone, those who want to design their graphic designs here, and you get everything almost here. But some features are not available. So those are available in the pro version, and it comes with a cost. The next is the Teams version, where you can collaborate with your teams. This is mainly for business people, those who work together, create together, share their designs with each other, edit their designs for those things. So let us actually compare the prices of the Pro version as well as the Teams version. So for comparing the prices, I've clicked the part which is comparing. See, here it is. So like the first option is Canva free. There it says design anything on your own or with friends and family. The next is Canva Pro, which actually can be used by only one person, and the premium content can be unlocked and more powerful designs can be created. Okay. So it comes with a price of 3,999. Got it. And the next is a Canva for Teams, which I said you can add on Teams members, and 5 members can be added at one time for one version. So the cost is 9,980 rupees. So this is for per year. Whatever I said right now is for per year. But one very good option here is those who are in working in schools. They are going to give the pro version free of cost. For teachers and for schools, it can be pro version can be taken. Okay, so you have to click this teachers and schools version, and you can go here. See, there are options for get verified. What you have to do actually is, now you have to click on this button, and then a small form will be opened with some details. So you need to fill up that. Now you can see here, it says get started. So now click the get started. And as I'm already having a team, I cannot do this right now. But for you people, when you're going to do it, when you click on it, a page will be opened to give your school email ID and the school details. When you fill up all those things, it will say we will connect to you. And if you are a genuine person working in a school, what will happen here is you will actually get yourself the link to upgrade for a pro version. So this is the easiest method for teachers to get the pro version, because in pro version, the teachers will be able to get all the free educational resources which is available inside the Canva. Now, there is an option for the school also to sign up the similar way. So when you see this, let us go back and see. Okay, I'll once take you back so that I'll show you where the school can register. So again, here we are on top. You can see here teachers and schools. Click on the button teachers and schools. And then you can see here schools and district 100% free for K to 12 students and teachers, all in one creation and communication tool for your entire district with enterprise level deployment. Now here, when you click it, you have to contact them stating that you're a school and you need the Canva Pro version. They'll be asking for few of the basic details of the schools and the area in which the school is put up, and then you will be able to get the link of Pro version completely free. Understand, if you are connected with the school, then you can get this Canva Pro version totally free of cost. So that is all for today. So I have actually explained you about the free version, the pro version, what is the payment to be paid yearly, and also the Teams version, what you have to pay for the whole year. And I have also informed you that teachers and those who are connected with schools can get the pro version totally free. So I think this is useful to you all, and I wish educational people should go for the pro version that is also freely available and get benefited out of this. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. And if you found this information useful, kindly click the button like, share, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe the channel. And thank you once again for watching.